Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino, changing up the intro length and music. Many requests from our subscribers. Let us know if you like the new one and the shorter length of the intro. Thanks for everybody for your feedback. All right, another question in Bitcoin. People said on Ethereum I had the shorter term GAN levels in here. Why did I do that on Bitcoin? Sometimes I just don't. I have updated my chart since with the breakout to identify key levels, because that's what I do when I'm watching this and trading this. But so we broke out of the range, drifting sideways, getting right above our 11,721 level, which then gave us a nice little pause right here. Drifting sideways is a great example, holding at the significant level and drifting sideways and letting the rotation zone catch up, then rotating up. Perfect example right there. Minor support 11,750, major support about 11,660, and if we drop below that, you don't want the close back down below 11,561. The upside 11,975, then the most recent swing high 12,134. Upper levels 12,549, 12,964. Beyond that, let's go over to the daily and take a look where the major daily support is. So major daily support, should it drop back in this range, is 11,360 area. Let's switch over to Ethereum, because I did have the levels on before with Ethereum. You can look at the last video. I did not put them on with Bitcoin. Here's where they went to: minor level 396.91, major 404.81, poking through it once and dropping back down, holding the 8 EMA on the rotation zone. So right now sitting at support. If we did drop below it, minor support coming in about 391.50, major support, let's see where we are on that daily. Major support coming back in at 374. So that, if you do get a pullback, 374 is very, very key level to watch for. 12.5% retracement and the daily rotation zone. Let's see just on the 4 hour. So yeah, and then we got the 50 period exponential moving average coming in there. So that's the area you don't want to ignore. Bigger drop would be all the way back to about 335. The upside levels, I'm just going to watch this most recent swing high. I'm not even going to use these GAN levels now, because they're going into right above that 415. I'm watching 415, 438, major cluster 455 to 461, and then above that 496. So what we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.